Hello, we have completed in previous lecture 4.2 autobiographical novel To Serve with Love written by E.R. Braithwaite. Now today we will see brainstorming part of To Serve with Love. What is mean brainstorming? Brainstorming is a method designed team use to generate the ideas and to solve a clearly defined design problem in controlled condition and a free thinking environment. And when used in brainstorming, during the problem solving, brainstorming brings team members diverse experiences into novel, and it increases the richness of the ideas explored, which means that you can often find better solution to the problems that you face. What is the purpose of brainstorming? The purpose of brainstorming is a way to generate the ideas within group setting. Let us start brainstorming To Serve with Love. Character: which one among the following is a teacher in the extract, and select the correct one. Also cite a couple lines from the extract in support of your answer. Option number 1, Denham. Second, Miss Joseph. Number 3rd, Sapiano. And 4th, Dale Evans. And in these 4 options, Dale Evans is the correct answer. Why? Mr. Dale Evans is a teacher in the extract, and the line indicated Denham called to the children at random from the audience and asked them to write the name of each teacher, including the head on slip of paper, and tells us that slip of paper contained the names of the teacher. And next line indicated the line Sapiano spoke of the study the class had made, states that the Sapiano presented a report, and since all reports were presented by the student, it can be concluded the Sapiano was not a teacher. Means this line supported Denham. Dale Evans is correct answer. Second, brainstorming. Complete the table highlighting the various traits of the major characters in the extract. Traits means features, qualities. Denham, Miss Phillips, Fernman, and Potter. These characters are the major character. Which are the traits of this major character? Number 1, Denham. What are the traits of Denham's? Denham's is confident, influent, fearless, bold, then athletic, clever, determined, respectful. These are the traits of the Denham. Second major character, Miss Phillips. Miss Phillips is calm, well informed, and she is the honest, skillful. Her nature is helpful, clever. These are the traits of Miss Phillips. Number 3rd, Furman. Furman is the major character. What are the traits of Furman? Furman is funny, dramatic, resourceful, and he is the innovative character, charming, possessive, unbiased. Then number 4, Potter. Potter is analytical. He is the intelligent and insightful and wise. These are the traits of Potter. In next number third, brainstorming, the narrator played a crucial role in bringing a significant change in the student. Explain the statement by citing some references from the extract. Who is the narrator? Narrator is E.R. Braithwaite. Braithwaite is a teacher. Which references? When Braithwaite takes his place as a teacher for the senior class of Greenslade School, he is met with a bunch of the disrespectful, arrogant and ill-mannered students. Initially, this angers him is eventually resolves to take different approaches in the teaching. One of the most important aspects of new approaches, mutual respected. Braithwaite understands that students can only learn something valuable in their courses if they respect the teacher teaching them. And next references we have studied in chapter number 17. Then 4, Fernman brought comic relief in the student in council program. Explain. In chapter number 17, explain there. A comic relief is the character or element that provide the humor in serious situation. Means Furman explored Furman to create the comic incident there. The half yearly report organized by the student in council was day a great importance for the student and the teachers of Greenslade School. The students were assigned role and the responsibility and they took their jobs seriously. And so happened there. These were serious and heavy topics. One by one students or class by class student to present them report. But when it was time for the Furman to present his report on the physiology, he signaled Velisha and the Allison to carry the skeleton to the stage. That time to create very surprising on the stage and to create the very different atmosphere. This sudden shift of the atmosphere from the serious analytic presentation of his classmate to the image of Furman on the stage next to skeleton hanging from the book screwed into top of the its skulls and gently revolving at the end of the record immediately made the audience laugh. So what will happen there? Though his dramatic presentation, Furman was able to relieve the tension of the audience by the providing the comical, humorous, to create the very humorous atmosphere, and in this way he brought the comic relief in the students' council program. Then give a brief character sketch of following character. Character number first, Denham. Denham is the major character in this novel. What is the features of Denham? Denham is one of the boys in Braithwaite's class. Miss Denham is the student of Braithwaite. Like all others, he too is the initially dismissive of the Braithwaite and he rude and disrespectful towards him. In beginning of the in Greenslade School, Denham is very disrespectful with teacher and other boys. And Braithwaite's patience and toleration is transformed Denham into a mature. Denham in totally change the into in Denham's and young man who learns to be the respectful of others and take up the responsibility. And Denham is very clever and in determined character. Then after few days he is became the respectful and mature student, and this is the made clear from the support the receives of his criticism of the PT and class when the other boys cheer him to audience. And last one, he is very confident, fearless, and bold and blunt senior student of the year Braithwaite. Then next character, Miss Joseph. Miss Joseph is one of the senior girls in Braithwaite's class. As the same as in Denham, Miss Joseph is the student in senior class, a natural leader. Miss Joseph, along with the Denham, is a charge of hosting the half yearly report of the student. She is taken a part in a program of half yearly report of the council, and then she also deliver a short address says outlining the purpose of student in council activities. When she is the turn of the Braithwaite's class to present its report, it is Miss Joseph who introduced the class theme of the brotherhood and interdependency of mankind to the audience. She is the confident his nature and deliver her report on the domestic science with at most ease. This is the very clever, confident and senior class student of E.R. Braithwaite. The next character, the narrator. Number C character, the narrator. The narrator of the novel is author E.R. Braithwaite. What is name of narrator? E.R. Braithwaite. What is the full name of E.R. Braithwaite? The E.R. Braithwaite's full name is Eustace Edward Record Braithwaite, and work is 1912 to 2016, and he was the Guyanese born British American novelist, writer, teacher and diplomat. Then the novel is based on his real life experiences, which particularly focuses on his life in England and his job as a teacher at Greenslade School after Second World War. And E.R. Braithwaite is black person. Before becoming a teacher, he worked as the engineer and even served in the Royal British Air Force during the war, etc. And extra information about the E.R. Braithwaite in about the author. It is given the details information about E.R. Braithwaite. Next character, Miss Dare. Full name is Miss Dare. Miss Pamela Dare is one of the senior girls in Braithwaite's class. On the day of the half-yearly report, she is the chosen to present on the subjects of physiology, along with her classmate, Furman. While Furman displays sense of the dramatic and humorous in the presentation, but Miss Dare's presentation is straightforward, but she is the insightful because of his over the top of the performance. And then Furman manages to steal the show with the presentation. With Miss Dare's report lacking and such a dramatic element, she is the aware of that, delivers her report after the ferments. And then, and she is, her face is the terms of sickness and disease and state benefits of the exchanging knowledge and advice and assistance among the countries. And thus she speaks knowledgeably about her courseworks. Means that time to council program. Last character, Miss Phillips. Miss Phillips is a teacher, Greenslade School, and she is a white female lady, and is one of the three teachers to be the chosen at random for final discussion one of the day half yearly report. Then Miss Phillips is the best informed of the three, and then her interaction with the Denham leaves the student impressed with the tough but honest nature and establish her authority as the teacher. This also completed transforms her image is eyes of narrator, who by the end of the extract develops sense of administration and respect for the Miss Phillips. And extra information in chapter number 17. Then number 6, compare the following character. Means comparison between the following character. Character Miss Joseph and Denham. Miss Joseph and Denham. What is difference between two character? Then in Miss Joseph in charge of the student council program and delivers a short addressing highlighting the council purpose and its activities. And she is the representative of the subject of the domestic science. And with she is the higher classes students of year Braithwaite. Speaks about the theme of the interdependence of the mankind, which was at the root of all their lessons. And her qualities highlighted leadership skills and calm and insight. Then what is the Denham? Yes, some information about the Denham. Denham is in charge of the student council program and assigned the task of calling out of the names of student representative of the senior class and displays genuine courtesy while addressing them. Means both are the student. They are in the class of E.R. Braithwaite, and representative of Denham is the representative of the subject of PT and games. Denham discuss about the subject of PT and games and criticize the pattern of the PT and games, citing the limitation of the obtaining the space, the monotony of the routine and time allocated to him. And qualities of Denham. Denham is leadership skill, courteous, assertive, blunt, then clever student in the class of E.R. Braithwaite. This is the difference between Mrs. Joseph and Denham's in both student. Now, thank you.